some breaking news coming in as far as the Awazi Gate scandal is concerned. These are the live latest visuals on our screen right now coming in of Sachin Waze, who's now been taken to a spot near Mumbai for further investigation. This is very near to, we are expecting more details of what exactly is this location. But these are the live visuals of the NI team that has now reached there. Going across to my colleague Niranjan. Niranjan, over to you.
Well, these are live pictures coming in of Sachin Waze, who was just taken out of the NIA office, and he's been brought. We're just waiting for more updates of what is going on here at this particular location. But these are live pictures coming in from Mumbai as we stay with these pictures of Sachin Waze being brought by the NIA to one of the locations where the NIA team is trying to ask him some questions, trying to recreate the crime scene, and they have brought him to a location in Mumbai now. We're waiting for more details to find out where exactly he is and what is the situation that they're trying to sort of, as of this minute, try to recreate.
All right, so as we have been reporting, these are the latest visuals on the screen right now coming in from Mumbai, and as Niranjan has been stating, we are still awaiting more details, but these are the NIA officials with Sachin Waze. They might be recreating the scene of crime as well. And Niranjan, if you can also take us through, because now the custody of Sachin Waze has also been extended till 3rd of April for further interrogation and investigation, and this seems like the same area where possibly the investigation has been underway, and where the scene crime spot has also been, where he has been taken multiple times in the past as well.
This morning, we had this sequence that came in. This sequence that came in from another part of Thane, where you saw one of Sachin Waze's aides, being caught on CCTV, who's also being questioned by the NIA. His name is Riazuddin Qazi. And these are live pictures of Sachin Waze being moved out from the NIA office, and right now he's been taken to the location as they recreate the crime scene, and we're just waiting for more details of the exact location as well. But these are live pictures from Mumbai.
All right, so these are the latest visuals on the screen right now coming in from Mumbai. We are still awaiting more details, but it seems like the NIA team is at a spot somewhere in Mumbai, and they are trying to recreate the scene of crime. Earlier as well, we saw as to how we have been reporting here on Republic of another raid of the controversial ex-cop Sachin Waze, who was caught on a CCTV footage. Riaz Qazi, who has also been summoned by the NIA, was seen at the number plate shop. He's the second such officer who was also seen in that particular CCTV footage. According to the NIA and their investigation so far, it seems like they have questioned Riaz Qazi multiple times. Going back to my colleague Niranjan as well. Niranjan, we have been reporting of that particular CCTV footage clincher as well since morning. And now we're getting another update of Sachin Waze being taken at a spot in Mumbai.
That's correct, and you saw the pictures of Sachin Waze this morning. In fact, Sachin Waze's aide on CCTV. That was Riazuddin Qazi, who was caught on CCTV, and he was brought. He was caught on CCTV at a number plate shop. In that particular number plate shop, the NIA suspects he was there to take the DVR and the computer away to destroy the evidence. Now that's the allegation and that's the suspicion, and he's been questioned. We'll stay full frame with the pictures. And we will tell you more about what's going on. But these are live pictures coming in from Mumbai as Sachin Waze is moved out. Top officials of the NIA are with Sachin Waze right now. Top officials of the NIA are present there on location, and we have our Republic Bharat reporter there as well. And we'll go across to our reporter as well. We'll cut across to the live pictures and stay on the live pictures. We'll stay on the live pictures, from Mumbai. And these are pictures of Sachin Waze, who was brought here earlier. I think this is the BKC, if I'm not wrong. This is BKC. We have a confirmation now live from BKC, or the Bandra Kurla complex in Mumbai. This is the Bandra Kurla complex in Mumbai. And let me cut across to our reporter, Republic Bharat reporter, who's live there at the BKC. Let me cut across straight.
एनआईए की टीम आप साफ तस्वीरों में देख सकते हैं बॉम्बे कॉर्पोरेशन सोसाइटी बैंड्रा में है और वहां पर पहले एकदम जस्ट बगल में इस नदी के वो सोसाइटी है, वहां पर टीम लेकर गई हुई थी, लेकिन अब मीठी नदी के ऊपर इस वक्त पहुंची हुई है। साफ तौर पर आप देखिए कि यहाँ बाजे से पूछताछ लगातार जारी है माना जा रहा है। हालांकि अभी इस बात को कंफर्म नहीं किया जा सकता है, लेकिन सूत्रों के हवाले से ये सीधे तौर पर खबर है कि एनआईए की टीम बाजे को लेकर यहाँ पहुंची है, क्योंकि एविडेंसेस डिस्ट्रॉय किए गए थे इसी नदी में। ये खबर निकलकर सामने आ रही है। कुछ ही देर में पुख्ता डिटेल्स भी हमें मिलेंगी और तस्वीरें हम आपको लगातार दिखा रहे हैं कि बाजे से एनआईए की टीम इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रही है। देखिए वो लगातार दिखा रहे हैं यहाँ पर। इससे पहले एक दूसरे पॉइंट पर लेकर गए थे इसी पुल के, लेकिन हम एक दूसरे पॉइंट पर पुल लेकर बाजे को पहुंची हुई है, पुल पर बाजे को पहुंची हुई है और उस पॉइंट से इशारा करके वो पूछताछ यहाँ पर कर रहे हैं कि किस तरीके से इन तमाम चीज़ों को, जो भी एविडेंसेस डिस्ट्रॉय किए गए थे, उन्हें इम्प्लीमेंट किया गया। तो ये तस्वीर हम आपको लगातार दिखा रहे हैं। आप देखिए कि एनआईए की टीम उनसे लगातार पूछताछ कर रही है, इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रही है। अब लेकर आगे बढ़ती हुई टीम इस वक्त दिखाई दे रही है। आप तस्वीरों के जरिए देख सकते हैं कि एनआईए की टीम बाजे को लेकर एक बार फिर से गाड़ी में बैठती हुई नजर आ रही है।